Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill sales tax return online. First, you will need to register for an online account with your state's tax agency. This usually involves providing your business information and creating a secure login. Next, gather all your sales data, including total sales and taxable sales for the reporting period. Finally, make sure you have your sales tax permit number handy, as it is essential for filing. Once logged in, navigate to the sales tax return section. You will typically start by entering your gross sales, representing all revenue collected during the period. Then, input any non-taxable sales, like sales made for resale or specific exempt items. The online system will then automatically calculate your net taxable sales, which is the amount subject to sales tax. This streamlines the process significantly. Now, it's time to apply any eligible deductions. Common deductions include bad debt from uncollectible sales or sales tax collected on returned merchandise. Additionally, claim any sales tax credits your business may qualify for, which can reduce your overall tax liability. Always double-check these entries to ensure accuracy, as errors can lead to penalties or overpayment. Before final submission, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire sales tax return. Check all figures, especially the calculated tax due. Next, select your preferred payment method. Electronic funds transfer is a common and efficient option. Finally, submit your return well before the deadline to avoid any late filing penalties. You will usually receive a confirmation number for your records.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.